Ito po, inamin na nitong mga congressman at prosecutors sa impeachment trial ni Vice President ang mga pwedeng mangyari. Kaya nga kailangan natin bantayan. Talaga daw po magkakalalabasan dito ang mga speculation, mga fake news, paninira, siraan, kung ano-ano pa. Pakinggan natin ilang bahagi lang ng paliwanag.
It will be viewed as bias. No? So to properly address that, let's stick to the facts. Okay, when you say kinain, nagkalamunan, what does that mean? No? It means someone got an upper hand no, compared to the other. So what happened? It's a pre-trial conference. So in that context, to say that you got the upper hand, it should mean that you were able to get favorable rulings on your part. No? But that's impossible. Why? Because the clerk of the impeachment court cannot even make any rulings. No? So that's factually impossible. Now, but what I can say also factually no, is that we were able to secure or successfully achieve our goal. No? What is that? To ensure that the pre-trial would proceed in an expeditious manner. No? Right at the start of the pre-trial conference, there was an attempt on the defense to raise an issue regarding the two-thirds threshold, no, to pose this as something that must be resolved before pre-trial could commence. And that is something that was quickly shut down by Congressman Luistro. No? And in fact, as you know, we were able to complete already the markings of evidence for 2 articles of impeachment. No? And today, we're continuing with the 2 other articles of impeachment, which is one for confidential funds and unexplained wealth. And we're hoping to finish that as soon as possible as well.
Ayan o.
If I may add also,
Yeah.
I think as
Congressman
this
De Lima.
state, as this proceedings progress, we can expect more of that,
Si
more
De
of
Lima.
disinformation, more of fake news, more of factual distortion, spins of the real stories of the things that happened as the proceedings progress, lalo na pagdating natin sa trial proper. So we just have to be very circumspect and careful about perceiving things and in our reporting. So this is more sa SOCMED, and we should be very careful about these things. Because this is a highly charged event, of course, of the country. So certain players might be doing things that would again try to undermine, especially the cause of the prosecution.
Ayan o.
Thank you.
Ayan o. Mga comment nilang talagang malinaw na pwede
Second
mangyari.
question po. Kanina po kasi bago mag-start yung pre-trial conference, nandun po yung mga lawyers from both the defense and the prosecution. Tapos parang nakita sila na parang nagmi-mingle naman, nag-uusap-usap. I know na normal
lang yun.
ito, pero just to clarify po
Question.
sa public, baka po kasi may mag-isip ng kung ano na parang bakit magkakasundo pala sila after all.
Normal lang naman. Tama
Can
naman.
you clarify po?
Grabe naman itong medyang ito na
Well,
hindi
all
alam.
of us are lawyers.
Professional lahat yan eh.
At
Wala-
least
wala
we
namang
must
personalan dyan.
be cordial with each other because we belong to the same legal profession. Nevertheless, of course, we are committed to our respective causes. The prosecution is here to prove its case in this impeachment trial, while the defense is there in order to prove the innocence of the respondent. That is what we meant by adversarial proceeding. But it does not negate the supposed cordial relationship among the members of the bar.
Yun, tama naman yan. Grabe naman yung media nagtanong. Sana yata sa usapang kanto. Ang mga abogado, ganun talaga. Pag nasa trial, sa korte man o impeachment, bakbakan yan. Trabaho nila yan eh. Pero, before and after ng trial, nagkakamayan yan, nag-uusap yung mga yan. Ganun normal lang yun. Na baka daw mabahala yung mga tao, nag-uusap naman kayo pero nagbabakbakan. Nakakatawa naman yung tanong. Anyway, kaya tuloy ganyan ang sagot. Tama na yung sagot ni Luistro, Congressman Luistro. Lahat sila abogado. So, ibig sabihin, trabaho lang, wala naman personalan. Ganun lang. Huwag kayo masyadong mabahala. Mukhang reporter ba yung nagtanong? Baka naman vlogger yun ng kung saan galing. Tanong lang po, nagkakapag-comment tayo kasi sa haba po ng aking karanasan sa media, yung ganyan klase mga tanong, hindi kailangan yun. Ha? Talaga pong trabaho lang yan. Pag nagkikita-kita, nagkakamayan at nag-uusap. Hindi naman pwedeng nagtatalo kayo sa harap ng korte, nagtatalo kayo sa harap ng trial, tapos paglabas nyo sa trial, nagtatalo pa rin kayo, nagbabakbakan pa rin. Hindi ho ganon. Di ba? Professional naman. At yun naman ang gagawin nila. Kaya tuloy tama yung paliwanag. So yung sinasabi naman na maraming fake news, maraming panggugulo, maraming makikialam, totoo yan. Kasi nga ho, political at legal ang issue ng impeachment. Pangalawa, masyado hong maingay ang mga Duterte at supporters nito. Lagi naman silang ganyan, nung araw pa. Piling sila lagi ang tama. Talagang mag-iingay yan. Yung kabilang side na nakakaintindi rin, mga mamamayang Pilipino, tahimik man pero magsasalita rin yan. So, ito na lang. Lahat tayo may karapatan pero ilagay natin sa ayos ang mga komento, opinion. Dahil ang opinion, komento sa labas ng korte, wala yan. Ang magdi-decide ay senator judge. Ang mga abogado ng depensa at prosecutors ang magde-decide kung ano kailang gagawin. Hindi natin pwedeng pangunahan. Alam mo naman dyan ngayon pa nga lang, sinabi nga nila, meron daw si Luistro daw kinain ng buhay ng abogado ni Sara Duterte. Kalokohan yun. Yun yung speculation malayo pa at madilim pa sa sabaw ng pusit. Walang ganon. Sa debate ng mga abogado, lahat yan may tama at karapatan sa argumento nila, conforme sa inyong pagbasa. Hindi naman usapang lasing yan, hindi naman usapang barbero yan, hindi naman usapang walang kinalaman sa o tambay ka. Hindi po ganon. May kanya-kanyang argumento yan, may kanya-kanyang pinanguhugutan yan. So itaas natin ang level ng pagkakaintindi. Itaas natin ang level ng pangunawa sa mga issue. Huwag niyong ikumpara na usapang kanto, usapang kung saan-saan lang. Hindi po ganon sila. At hindi yan dapat. Di ba? So, sabi na nga ba, tama yung sinabi yung isang nadinig kong madalas na i-interview na dumadami ang abogado, dumadami ang senator judge. Although 24 lang ngayon ang senator judge, dumadami raw yung judge. Kasi nga ang daming opinion, ang daming kasalita. Okay lang naman yun. Meron o walang personality sa kaso, may karapatan. Kasi nga political and legal ang impeachment. Hindi yan korte. Walang makukulong pagka guilty. Ang Vice President. Sa impeachment, walang nakukulong. Matatanggal lang at ipagbabawal sa anumang posisyon sa gobyerno pag guilty. Pagka naman na guilty, ito na yung maliligayang araw. Ganun lang po yun. Yan ang proseso ng impeachment under 1987 Constitution. Okay? So, magpakatalino, magsubaybay, magbantay. Okay? Huwag kayong palinlang. Alam nyo ang grupo kung saan ang gagaling. Kung yan ay kapanipaniwala o panlilinlan lang. Dahil matatalino nga ang Pilipino lalo na ang ating mga followers, subscribers. Mabuhay kayo sa buong mundo.